Deciphering academic phrasal verbs. Read between the lines. Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive deep into the world of academic phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are essential elements of the English language that can sometimes be tricky to understand, especially when you encounter them in academic contexts. But no worries. We're here to demystify these academic phrasal verbs and show you how to decipher their meaning in context. So, let's get started. Phrasal verbs are phrases that consist of a verb and one or more prepositions or adverbs, forming a unique meaning. When it comes to academic phrasal verbs, we're talking about phrasal verbs that are often used in academic texts, lectures, research papers, and presentations. They often carry complex or specific meanings, making them crucial to understanding advanced English and excelling in academic or professional environments. Examples include carry out, meaning to perform or complete, set up, to establish or arrange, and break down, to analyze or explain in detail. Understanding the meaning of academic phrasal verbs is often about more than just memorizing definitions. It's crucial to be able to understand these phrasal verbs in context. The surrounding sentences and the overall theme of the text can often give you clues about the meaning of the phrasal verb. Let's take the phrasal verb, break down, as an example. In a scientific paper, you might read, "The researcher will break down the data into several categories." Here, break down is used to mean analyze or separate into parts. Practicing with examples is one of the best ways to get comfortable with academic phrasal verbs. Let's try a few examples. 1. The professor will set up a new experiment next week. In this context, set up means to arrange or establish something. 2. The team carried out the research over a period of 6 months. Here, carry out means to complete or perform a task. 3. The scientist looked into the matter more deeply. In this sentence, look into means to investigate or examine. Through these examples, we can see how understanding academic phrasal verbs within context can enhance our comprehension of academic English. And there you have it. We hope this video has helped shed light on how to understand academic phrasal verbs in context. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to revisit this video, practice with more texts, and keep learning. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for more English language learning.